Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp and broccoli step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of raw shrimp, peeled and deveined, and 2 cups of fresh broccoli florets. For flavor, grab 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and some salt and pepper to taste. A little lemon juice at the end really brightens the dish. Having everything ready makes cooking a breeze. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get them prepped. Start by rinsing your shrimp under cold water, then pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This helps them sear nicely. Next, cut your broccoli florets into uniform, bite-sized pieces so they cook evenly. Mince your 3 cloves of garlic finely. Finally, season your dried shrimp with a pinch of salt and pepper. This simple prep work sets you up for success. It's time to cook. Heat your 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once shimmering, add the minced garlic and cook for about 30 seconds until it's fragrant, but don't let it burn. Next, add your broccoli florets to the pan and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are tender crisp. Finally, add your seasoned shrimp and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Your shrimp and broccoli are almost ready. Once the shrimp are fully cooked and pink, remove the skillet from the heat. Squeeze a generous amount of fresh lemon juice over the entire dish. It really brightens all the flavors. This simple, healthy meal is perfect on its own or served with rice or quinoa. For those looking to improve their financial health, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.